Hello everyone, my name is Kamilla. Today I will show you how to mold one of the twin chefs from the game of Little Nightmares from plasticine. The Little Nightmares series presents a grim shadow-filled adventure. Players will discover that Little Nightmares blurs the lines between dreams and nightmares as they explore places like the Maw, the Nest, the Pale City and other locations in the Little Nightmares universe in an effort to escape its nightmarish confines. The twin chefs are the second antagonists in Little Nightmares. With a love of violence and a feeling for meat, the twins were born to be chefs. As they shuffle across the cold floor, chopping, mincing, preparing the feast, the twin chefs sense something that makes their skin itch. A dirty, unwelcome presence. Vermin will not be tolerated in the kitchen. They use anything from hammers to cleavers and will not hesitate to turn them on intruders. The twin chefs are obese, bulbous creatures. They each wear a white smock, an apron, a chef's hat, and brown shoes. Their faces appear to actually be masks, and their true skin underneath is possibly gray or blue. The twin chefs are first encountered in the kitchen of the Maw, where they presumably prepare the food for the guests. Following her escape from the blind janitor, Six spots one of the chefs in the distance as she arrives in the kitchen area on a meat hook, quickly hiding from the chef as he goes about his work. While fetching a key to the meat locker from the chef's bedroom, Six inadvertently wakes up the chef's twin brother, but manages to hide from him as well. Eventually, Six arrives in the busboy area, but is discovered climbing a pile of dishes and hunted down, narrowly escaping from the twins on another meat hook. Later, as Six makes her way through the guest area, one of the twins arrives in an elevator and chases her to a nearby bathroom. When he fails to find her, he leaves in frustration. Neither of the twins are seen again for the remainder of the game. Like the other characters in Little Nightmares, the twin chefs do not speak, but their personality is shown through their actions. Much like the janitor, the twins serve the Maw without question by preparing the food for all the guests. Despite their occupation, their personal hygiene is as questionable as the source of their ingredients, shown when they openly cough around food, rip open a large piece of raw meat with possibly unwashed hands, and unclog a washing station's drain with a toilet plunger. As loyal servants of the Maw, they will not hesitate to attack and chase Six on sight, going so far as to add her to the menu if captured. Chefs are pretty fast, but not the most powerful enemies in the game. They will chase Six, and if she doesn't have time to run away from them, they grab her and either choke her or add to the dish for the guests. However, you can easily hide from them under any furniture where the cooks cannot stick their hands in. Their other weakness is clumsiness. Unlike the janitor, they will never be able to reach Six if she is too high. Here is the character I sculpted today. If you like my stories and plasticine works, share this video with your friends. And also like, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so as not to miss the new video.